This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a vacation on Amazon Advantage. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. I'm in Amazon Advantage and I will be going on vacation. And what I want to have happen is have the purchase orders stop. So I'm on the Manage Purchase Orders page in Amazon Advantage. Where I want to go to set up a vacation is to go to Settings and then go to Purchase Order Outages. They don't call it vacation. It's not in the account settings. It's Purchase Order Outages. And Amazon will show you the outages that it already sets up for its own warehouses in 2024. But what we're going to do is add our own outage days as a publisher. Okay. If you are able to partially fill Amazon orders, do not submit an outage. In this case, I will not be able to fill any purchase orders from the period of February 3rd, 2024 until February 20th, 2024. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to the 17th, because that way when I get back, I can, usually my purchase orders come on Monday, so when I get back, I'll be able to immediately fulfill that. Now, what's going to happen between this period, Amazon won't send me any purchase orders, but what will happen is before this period starts, Amazon will likely send me bigger than usual purchase orders, so it kind of gets the warehouses all stocked up. One thing I'm actually going to do, I'm going to move it back a little bit more. And the reason is I'm afraid that they might actually drop a special purchase order on me on Friday, like just before I'm about to go, and I won't be able to fulfill it. So this is how you set up a purchase order. They want you to do it 30 days in advance of when it starts, but I found that you actually have some wiggle room on that. And I'm just going to click Submit. And your information was saved, and we'll see what happens. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to leanmedia.org, it's my official website, click on blog and then search for Advantage, and I have tons more posts and videos about how to get the most out of this program. Thank you so much for watching.